Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, it's here. My Civic made it all the way to where I live from Pembroke. About a 400 to 500 kilometer drive. Jen's car made it too, so that's always a win. I just finished driving. I drove from our house to Pembroke. Yeah, in Jen's car while she stayed passenger and tried to sleep. And then I drove my unicorn with a straight pipe exhaust, very, very loud, for another 5 hours. So I drove about minimum 10 hours, but it's here, and that's all that matters. Where I was sitting at my buddy's, uh, it was supposed to be okay there until March break. He has a neighbor that does not like to play with others. So the neighbor called the bylaw, and the bylaw was like, well, we're going to get it towed, even though it was all the way down in his backyard, not bothering anybody, not leaking oil, not leaking anything at all. I gotta say thanks to Joe for charging the battery on it, because it's sat for quite a while. We haven't been back to Pembroke in over 3 months. But there's the JDM Legend. I want to see what's under the black mudguards. Mirror needs to be replaced. Well, yeah, replaced because they're really, really flimsy. Those are hubcaps on winters, so that's good. The bumper, that's new. I don't remember that. Okay, well, looks like the bumper needs to be replaced. This is great. That's plastic. That's glass. And it's not cracked, so that's good. Hood scoop, non-functional. No cracked glass. Wipers need to be replaced. Sorry if I sound weird. I'm really sick and in a lot of pain. My tooth just cracked. My back tooth cracked while I was sleeping. I need the whatchamacallit down there, the black piece that goes there. I need to do some Bondo work for now until I can replace it. Those taillights are way too dark. Rear wiper delete. This piece here needs to be replaced. I don't know how. Who knows? YouTube does. The door handle, not the door handle, the gas door handle needs to be fixed and painted black just because. And because, oh geez, sorry. Look, there's my license plate. You know, people are always scared, oh, you'll know all kinds of information, license plate. Well, there's my license plate. So apparently this is a Civic CX. Sure, I don't care. It's unicorn. I've always wanted one of these and I got it. And what's funny is that I got it from a gentleman in North Bay. Drove it to Pembroke. We got evicted out of our house. We were living in an RV from August until December 1st. So Canadian winter in an RV. Yeah, we did it for the most part. Then we left her behind, and then we trailered the Daytona with the RV. Jen drove her car. The reason why Jen has her window down is because our heating ducts right here, they pump out a lot of heat. So it dries out her interior faster, where the mudguards are. But yeah, look at that. Another JDM Legend sticker. And there's one here for like I don't know what that one says anymore. I haven't seen this car in 3 months. I'm so glad to see it again. I'm probably going to take whatever that says right there off. Oh. Hyper Vision signs. Yeah, that's going to come off. The JDM I'm going to keep just because it's JDM. It's a Japanese car. Just like that's a Japanese car. That's a Japanese car. It's a small Japanese car. That's a Japanese truck. Hopefully I got better rims for summers than those, because those are kind of just steelies with hubcaps. Ooh, there's the money shot right there. Honda emblem. Ooh, nice. That's the other glass. The other glass lens is not cracked, which is good. Yeah, a lot of ice. Antenna needs to be replaced. I have no clue how. I think I'll take out the whole interior headliner. I'm not sure. But this is not her final resting spot. Her final resting spot is going to be right here where the snowblower is. I'm going to move that big brown thing, and then I'm going to park Unicorn there, and that's what I'll be working on her, wrenching on her. Oh, yeah. So, I got something. I just got out of the shower. I'm in pain, so I got something to show you guys. This is straight out of like the early 2000s. I can't believe I'm doing that too. I'm like looking at a camera when I should be looking at my phone. Total noob. Okay. Well, you've already seen it. Street Glow in green. Original from 2000, from Street Glow. Oh, look at that. 2003. Come on. 2003. 2003 will meet 1994. It's going to be on the back, obviously. I'm going to have to put a switch in and everything. That's going to be another video. So subscribe, like, comment, and we'll see you in the next video.